Hi, my name is Amelie Carrano and this is my video presentation for CIT 336 Enhancement 5. For this enhancement, we need to go to the products controller and check if everything is working correctly. Okay. First, I will go to the new category and see if the menu is working after the changes. Let's go back and I will validate the HTML. Okay, no errors. Now we check the HTML and server side and client side validation. For client side, if I click here, it will ask me to fill the field to put something on the input here. And if I click on validate, it will check the server side, and if I click here, it will give me this message. Now I check the new product, the same thing, HTML validation, no errors, and let me put something here so I can check. If I click here, it will ask me to view the information field. If I click here, it would happen the same thing. And if I click on validate, it will give me the server side validation with this message. That's it. Thank you.